Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily make your TikTok account private, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open TikTok and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy and then tap on privacy. From here, make sure that this toggle is turned on, the one next to private account. Once you do that, scroll down, tap on comments. Tap on comments in the top again, and then make sure it is set to no one. After that, go back, tap on mentions and tags, tap on tags, and then set it to no one as well. Tap on mentions, also set it to no one. Go back, tap on story, make sure it is set to only me, and then tap on duet, and make sure it is set to only me as well. And that is how you do it, guys. You should be good to go from here. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.